Hello everyone, this is Jenny Daly, and this is the first of 3 short videos that show in step-by-step detail how to set up a good offer from your vendor dashboard. So the first thing you're going to do is log into your vendor account and go to Personal and My Account. Click on My Account. That will bring up your account page, and you're going to go to the vendor dashboard. Once you're in your vendor dashboard, go over here to the drop-down menu on the side, and you're going to click on Products because you're putting in a product. Now what you're going to be doing is adding a new product, so click Add New Product, and what that does is it brings up this screen, which is your palette that you're going to be building your offer on. Today's video, this first video, is only going to focus on your product name, which is a bit misleading because this is actually your offer title or heading, and pictures. So we're going to start here where it says product name. What they're really asking for there is the heading for your product or for your offer. And we always have one format that we use to keep things consistent on the site, and that is save, and then the amount of money or percentage, on, which is the product or service that you're discounting, and then at, which is the name of the company, your company. So this is a shoe store that I'm going to be putting in. So I'm going to say save, and in this case I'm going to say $10 Canadian, because I am in Canada, so this is Canadian. So save $10 Canadian on all runners. We'll say running shoes. Running shoes. It would be good if you spelled it correctly, Jenny. Over $50, because I don't want them to save $10 on all running shoes, just the ones that are over $50 at, and the name of this store is Shoe Game. So now you can see here that I have put every word with the first letter in a capital letter. And when you're setting up your offers, if you could set them up with a capital on the first word of each, the first letter of each word, that would be terrific. So this is going to be the heading for your offer. What you don't want to do here is put in just what your product is. Like you wouldn't want to write just shoes. Put save $10 Canadian on all running shoes over $50 at Shoe Game. That lets the people know exactly what you're offering very quickly. Now we're going to look at photographs. There's 2 places to add photographs. This big box here is your main image, the big image that will be shown on your offer, and these smaller boxes down here are the gallery. Those are your extra images. So let's start with, what picture do I want to put in for my main picture? So I'm going to have to upload files. I have the pictures on my computer. I'm going to select, and I have this already set up to the folder where I have the pictures. I'm going to select this picture for my main picture. It shows up in my media library, and it's saying, do you want this as your featured image? Yes, I do. So there's my featured image. If I want to change it, I just click the X. Now for extra images, gallery images, you're going to click at the bottom. I'm going to upload this file, and I'm going to put a picture of some shoes in there just to show some of the shoes that we sell. And once this picture has loaded, I'm going to add it to the gallery, and you can see on the offer, this picture will show up big. These pictures show up small, but customers can click on them and they will enlarge. It's a good idea to have a couple of gallery pictures. You don't need to have them. You can just have a feature picture if that's all you want to do. But if you have a couple of gallery pictures, I would say up to 5 is a good amount. There's no point in putting 30 or 20 or 30 extra pictures in here because, to be honest, people just don't take the time to look through them. Pick out your best 4 or 5 that show your product or your service really well. One thing about these pictures, you want them to be clear. You want them to look professional. So when people are browsing through ActionCoin on the internet, the site looks professional. And that's all we're going to do in this video. There will be another video coming up that will show how to determine the price of your voucher. And we're going to talk a little bit about categories. Thank you so much. Video 2 will be following this video.